The Patrol has been the flagship off-roader amongst Nissan's model lineup. With an uncanny ability to tackle the toughest terrain without breaking a sweat and being just as comfortable towing a caravan down the highway, it's no wonder that the Patrol has found itself such a strong following amongst the four-wheel drive community. Before setting out on your next trip, make sure that your brakes are up to the towing task with the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake upgrade kit. The kit comes complete with everything required to improve your Patrol's stopping power, all within this handy Bendix icebox. In this kit, you'll find a set of Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake pads and Ultimate brake rotors, braided hoses for improved pedal feel, and all the consumables needed to get the job done. For the Patrol, there is also the rear brake upgrade kit available from Bendix. For whatever journey lies ahead, drive safe with the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake upgrade kit.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.